Hi there, here's the Amazfit Verge Lite. It was launched with the price tag of $6,999, but now you can get this for just $4,999, and it's one of the best smartwatches to grab at this price point. Don't be fooled by the name Lite. It's got everything you're looking for in a smartwatch. Built-in GPS, Amoled Display, 20-day battery life, fitness and sports tracking. But of course, it does have its share of shortcomings, which we'll talk about in detail in this video so that you can decide whether you should buy this or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. Firstly, the watch works with both Android and iPhones. It connects via Bluetooth, and I've paired them with both, separately of course. One watch won't pair with two devices at the same time, just in case there was confusion. I paired them with both and they worked without any problems. So I got the Snowcap white color. There's something about white that I really like. It stands out maybe. I've even got the Apple Watch which is in white. Anyway, it's fully made of plastic, but the build quality is not that bad. It's solid, it's good. It's extremely light, which makes it very comfortable to wear for long hours. Though thicker than what I want, but still I can live with it. There's a proprietary charging dock which is provided. It's not the best, but pretty functional. The strap has a loop design which holds on very well, made of soft silicone, pretty comfortable and sturdy. The straps can be replaced with any third-party bands thanks to the hinge mechanism that helps the strap come out and fix in very easily. But of course, I'm not sure if third-party bands are available for this watch, but yes, if you want to, you can. There is only one button on the upper right, which is to wake or put the display back to sleep, to go back or go back to the home page. Overall, the build quality of the Amazfit Verge Lite is quite good. It doesn't look premium, but it looks really sporty, chic and something that you can casually wear around everywhere. Coming to my favorite part of the watch, the display. Oh my god, it's amazing. It has a 43mm AMOLED round display with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels, and it looks gorgeous. And because of the high PPI, it's also really very crisp. It's a touch display and it's quite responsive. The colors simply pop. The watch faces look stunning and very vibrant. Edge-to-edge display with no black bezels like we see on square smartwatches. Anti-fingerprint coating so there are no smudges and keeps the display clean. This might be a small point, but it really helps. It keeps the display clean. It makes the watch look a lot more newer. Also, because of this anti-fingerprint coating, the display looks amazing under direct sunlight. It's crisp, it's clean. Also, the brightness cranks up quite a lot, which is more than enough to see it in direct sunlight. Amazing. It also comes with Gorilla Glass 3 to prevent it from scratches. Now, I've been wearing it for a while now and there are no scratches so far. The crisp, vibrant AMOLED display is one of the biggest pros of the Amazfit Verge Lite. Coming to the user experience of the interface. Let's have a deep dive and see. Press the button to wake the display. Swipe from up to access quick toggles. The first one is torch. Comes very handy when you can't reach the light, and this gets really bright at night. This one is for brightness. You can reduce or increase the brightness. It also has an option for automatic display, which comes really handy actually at times. Here is do not disturb, battery saving mode and lock display. Here's the watch face. Swipe right to access the steps. Swipe right for beats per minute and starts measuring. And here's the watch face again. Swipe from down to access more. And if we go up, you have status, shows you the steps, shows you the distance walked, the calories burned, the times you've stood up. When you swipe left, it actually goes back. Heart rate, not wearing it so it's not showing. Workout, it has outdoor workout, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, indoor cycling, elliptical trainer, exercise. And when you start a workout, it starts connecting to the GPS. Right now we are indoors, so it's taking time. Outdoor, it connects to the GPS very quickly. You can come into the settings and you can set workout goals, auto pause, all those kind of details. Very handy. Further down, you have activities, weather, music. So this music app controls all the music that is playing on your phone. So I've tested the most popular apps and they work absolutely fine with this. Notification. Here you can check out all the notifications that have been coming in. Alarms, event reminders, more, timer, countdown, find mobile, settings, watch face. So there are only 3 watch faces right now on the phone. You can add more from the Mi Fit app. And trust me, it looks gorgeous. Check that out. Go into settings, then there's screen on duration, press and hold button. You can press and hold and set an activity, like here it is outdoor running. You just press and hold this for 3 seconds and the outdoor running activities begins. System. Firstly, the touch response was really good and the OS was completely lag free. The workout options were limited, but I'm assuming that would be covering most of what we need. Now, more importantly is accuracy, and damn, Amazfit didn't disappoint. I wore it for my runs a couple of times and it did really well. Firstly, it got a lock on GPS pretty quickly, which is really important considering you don't want to wait for a very long time before you start your workout. I could check out the map in the Amazfit app in full detail, including steps, heart rate, distance, pace, everything. It also comes with sleep tracking. I tested it once or twice and it tracked pretty well. Deep sleep, light sleep, the time I slept, the time I woke up. But again, like many other trackers, this didn't track sleep during the day. Again, it's not a deal breaker, but just in case you were thinking, it doesn't track sleep during the day. During the night, works great. Raise the wrist to wake the display is also pretty responsive. Not the fastest, but I didn't feel that it's slow either. Coming to the other biggest pro of the Verge Lite, the battery life. It comes with 390 mAh battery and Amazfit claims 20 days. Let me surprise you, it lasted 2 weeks with 12% battery to spare. What more can you ask for? Amoled display with 15 days battery life. Absolutely killer. It does drop drastically if you use GPS tracking more often, but I used it like 2 or 3 times only, but I still got 2 weeks easily. It takes about 2 hours to charge the watch from 10% to 100%, which I think is pretty good. Coming to notification and call alerts. You can customize in the Amazfit app from which app you want notifications and from which app you don't. You can only read a message or a notification or dismiss it, but you can't reply. But the good thing is, since the display is sharp and crisp, you can actually read the whole message on your watch, which is great. You can receive call alerts with vibrations. You can see the caller's name as well. You can reject the call or silent the call. So technically you don't need to reach out to your phone in your pocket to disconnect or silent an unwanted call at least. Coming to the companion app. Well, the Amazfit Verge Lite works with the Amazfit app like a breeze. Pairing was simple process and won't take more than 10 minutes. It's pretty functional, nothing fancy. Shows you your workout and steps, heart rate in graphical format. You can change the watch faces in the profile section. The options are limited though, but good enough. Also, the more you use custom watch faces, the battery life is reduced. You can also set up reminders, alarms, the usual stuff. The app does it all, from software updates to managing your workouts, and it's extremely easy to use. Let's come to the cons. It comes with IP68 rating, which means dust and dirt protection, and it can be submerged under 1.5 meter of water. Now, how is this a con? Of course, dust and water protection is always a pro, but you still can't wear it for swimming, which is kind of a bummer. So basically it is fine with rain, sweat and water splashes. Also, a watch that has built-in GPS means you don't need to carry your phone with you to map your runs, but you'll have to carry your phone if you want to listen to music. So I wish it had internal memory so that you could store some songs and connect it via Bluetooth headphones. It would have been so much more better. Anyway, for the price, it's really hard to expect too much. So in my conclusion, the Amazfit Verge Lite is one of the most underrated smartwatches available today. When released, it was selling for $6,999. Now you can get this for $4,999. And trust me, it's totally worth it. A gorgeous AMOLED display with good battery life and accurate tracking makes it almost perfect if you're looking to buy a smartwatch for under $5,000. Along with white, it's also available in shark grey. You can make your pick. I'll leave the link in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this out. I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any questions regarding either of these Amazfit watches. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.